BARWIZARD Freedom Business. Hey guys, if you're watching this, probably you're checking out about the BARWIZARD Freedom Program, Freedom Business. It's a great little program. I'm glad Sandy has taken his work online, including his training sessions, plus a cool little segment on how to take your bar and beverage business online, which I think is super interesting. I also like the fact that it is vernacular, so there is quite a lot of it done in Hindi, given a large part of our population does not also speak English. So it's a great little initiative that he's done. It takes a lot more effort trying to explain concepts we have learned and dream about in English into Hindi. I'm glad Sandy's done that. I have always enjoyed people who have passed out of Sandy's school. They are positioned at great bars doing amazing things. People like Vasool Chauhan, Devinder Sehgal, Clayton Gracious, who was part of the system as well. A special shout out to you guys. And a bunch load of other bartenders who have come out, who are high on confidence. They are super motivated and aspire to become great in the line of work that they are, which is sometimes equally important as learning how to make great cocktails and drinks and securing a job at a great bar anywhere around the world. So please get on it, research, take your time, learn things which are there, and yeah, have a great time. And from the part that helps you take your business online, like I say, knowledge without execution and ability to make money is wasted. So figure out how to do that for yourself and excel in our line, and hope to see you guys for a drink somewhere around the world. Be safe, be good, learn lots, and pass it on.